Good morning, students. Today we are going to read the effect of temperature on the speed of reaction regarding your paper number 4, that is alternate to practical in the subject of chemistry. So concentrate yourself. The necessary thing is in this kind of experiment is same experiment will be repeated several times with same conditions except one condition that is under observation. So the condition that is under observation is temperature. So only temperature will be changed. Rest of the condition will be same for the experiment, and we will conduct the same experiment at different temperatures. So look now. Experiment is a reaction is sodium thiosulfate is reacting with hydrochloric acid, forming NaCl plus sulfur plus water and plus sulfur dioxide. So in this reaction, sulfur which is produced will actually make the solution cloudy. So actually this solution is made. So when sulfur will be produced, that will make the solution cloudy. So this experiment, the procedure of this experiment will be, first we will make a cross sign on a piece of paper. That piece of paper will be placed on the table, and then a flask will be placed over the paper, onto the paper. Then some sodium thiosulfate, calculated amount of the sodium thiosulfate and calculated amount of the hydrochloric acid will be put into the flask. After some time, sulfur will be produced. The function of the sulfur is that make the solution cloudy. So actually in the beginning, the thing that is required is a person will see above the flask onto the table that actually want to see the cross mark on the paper. In the beginning, the mark will be seen, but gradually when the sulfur will be produced, the cloudiness will be darker and darker, and after some time a time will come when you will be unable to see the cross mark. So you have to note the time. So the temperature is noted and the time is noted. This is a set of the value. So a set of the values will be noted in this experiment. A curve will be drawn, and after changing the temperature, same set of the values will be obtained. Okay, another way is also here. So look now. First, look. So I'm going to tell you an easy way now. So look, the same experiment will be conducted for 5 times. The conditions are same. That is a volume and volume of sodium thiosulfate and volume of ACl. Same volumes will be used. The only difference will be temperature. That is, first time the experiment will be conducted at 30 degrees C, then 35 degrees C, then 40 degree, then 45 degree, and then 50 degree. So only temperature will be changed, and you will see that the cross disappeared in the first experiment after 80 seconds. In the second experiment, when temperature rises to 35 degrees C, the time will be lesser, that will be 60 seconds. And gradually when the temperature rises, less time will be there for the cross to disappear. So look now. This is the thing that is actually we are doing. We have put a piece of paper by putting a cross on it and putting a flask over it. Reactants are here. So interpretation of the data. A graph of the time of the reaction against temperature is plotted. The same mass of the sulfur is precipitated in each experiment. The higher the temperature, the shorter the time taken for the reaction. That is, the speed of the reaction increases with temperature.